Hi, welcome to Hotel Tourism Management YouTube channel. My name is Hanif Mulya Pratama and I am from International Relations Batch 19. In this video, I will be presenting about one subject, which is hotel food tourism and destination for the project for my final exam. I will be presenting about two traditional foods from one region in Indonesia that I chose, which is Kudus. I will be explaining two types of traditional food in Kudus. But before that, I will be explaining about Indonesian food in general. In the beginning, Indonesia is known for its natural richness on both land and in the sea, and with many volcanic soil, makes them a beautiful harvest of tropical fruits. And of course, rice is the main staple in Indonesia, which makes them as the main dish in every Indonesian cuisine. Now, let's get to a region we know, which is Kudus. Kudus is located in East Semarang and is also known as the city of kretek. In Indonesia, kretek is a type of cigarette that most people use to smoking. That is because Kudus is the first to develop kretek cigarettes in whole Indonesia. Other famous products in Kudus that we know are the famous Soto Kudus. Well, that aside, Kudus has a rich historical and cultural story, which is also blessed with various unique foods that will blow your mind. Many dishes consist of buffalo meat and have become unique there in the whole Indonesia. Now, the two famous dishes that are in Kudus are Soto Kudus and Lentog. Those two dishes are known for the famous dishes throughout Indonesia. Now, in a second, there will be a video on how to make those dishes. Let's see now.
The ingredients for making lentog is quite simple. Those are the ingredients that is shown on the video. The first thing you need to do is to wash the rice until it's clean enough to make the rice cake. Enter rice with banana trees. Measure the coverage of the hand 3 times and fold it into small size with lidi. Afterwards, put the rice cake into cormorant to get cooked, then pour it with water until it is filled enough for 6 hours. The next step is to put the fried tofu into the warm coconut milk to get mixed with to make lodeh tahu. It is usually served with chopped rice cake served with lodeh tahu and side fried chopped onions for flavorness. The ingredient for this famous dish has many things to add, which are shown in this video. The first thing you need to do is to fry the chopped cloves and shallot in hot cooking oil until it turns golden. Then add the mashed spice consisting of coriander, hazelnuts, cumin, and salt into the cooked shallot and cloves. Then mix it again until the aroma of spice hits the spot. After that, boil the chicken for about 5 minutes until it boils. Then add the cooked spice into the pot and the lemongrass and ginger. Mix it afterwards. The Soto Kudus is served with bean sprouts, green onions, and fried shallot. You can add eggs if preferable. You can also add kecap pedas for those who like the spicy Soto Kudus. Pokoke maknyus.